Hello there, my wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. We all know the weather is too hot. You need something to refresh your body. We are going to make ice cream to cool you down, okay? I have 1 cup of chocolate here. I have half cup of coconut flakes. I have 1 cup of condensed milk, and I have whipping cream. Okay, I have my mixer here. Let's go ahead and see how we're gonna put it together and get your ice cream. Your children can help you. This is so fun. Let's go ahead and put this one in the pan. This is going to microwave to melt it for 30 seconds. Okay, you can do it on the stove top too. So let me put this on microwave and melt it, then we come back. It's ready. Let's check it out. Okay, let's give it another 30 seconds. Okay guys, what are we going to do with the chocolate? Okay, here you see I have my cups here. We are going to make something like ice cream. All right, all you have to do is put the chocolate melt in the cup like this. Make sure you spread it over everywhere in the cup. You see how it covered with the cup? I'm going to put it on the refrigerator for 2 minutes. You have to coat it in the bottom first, then it goes around to the cup everywhere. Okay, I brought the 2 cups back from the refrigerator for 2 to 5 minutes. I have to do the second coat. Okay. When you put it in, all you have to do is just go around like this, because you want to get thick coat. You have to coat for first one 2 to 5 minutes on the fridge. You bring it back and you coat for the second one, then you put it back for 2 minutes. Then we'll see how the filling will go. It's going to fridge for another 2 minutes. Where we are waiting for the ice cream to set on the cup, I have my whipping cream here. So let's put 1 cup of whipping cream. Please make sure the whipping cream is very cold, so when you whip it, it will be so easy to form. I have my electric mixer here. Let's add 1/4 cup of condensed milk. Let's take half cup of coconut flakes. Okay. Ice cream is ready. Let's fill our cup. Now I have my Popsicle Sticks here. All you have to do is just dip your Popsicle Sticks. So that goes in here, the middle. Then you put the rest of the melted chocolate here. Go ahead and cover this with the ice cream. Okay, let's put it in. All right, all this is going to refrigerator until it's set up to become like firm ice cream. All right, okay guys, the ice cream is ready. Okay, let's cut it off and see how we're going to eat it. All you need is your scissors.
Hey guys, this is the end of my video. I cut the bottom already. Started eating already. See how good it looks. This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Homemade ice cream. Look at that. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone.